Electronic configuration. The elements of group 16 have 6 electrons in the outermost shell and have ns2 and p4 general electronic configuration. Atomic and ionic radii. Due to increase in the number of shells, atomic and ionic radii increases from top to bottom in the group. The size of oxygen atom is, however, exceptionally small. Ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy decreases down the group. It is due to increase in size. However, the elements of this group have lower ionization enthalpy values compared to those of group 15 in the corresponding periods. It is due to the fact that group 15 elements have extra stable half-filled p orbitals electronic configurations. Electron gain enthalpy. Because of the compact nature of oxygen atom, it has less negative electron gain enthalpy than sulfur. However, from sulfur onwards, the value again becomes less negative up to polonium. Electronegativity. Next to fluorine, oxygen has the highest electronegativity value among the elements. Within the group, electronegativity decreases with an increase in atomic number. This implies that the metallic character increases from oxygen to polonium. Physical properties. Some of the physical properties of group 16 elements are given in table 7.6. Oxygen and sulfur are nonmetals, selenium and tellurium metalloids, whereas polonium is a metal. Polonium is radioactive and is short-lived. Half-life is 13.8 days. All these elements exhibit allotropy. The melting and boiling points increase with an increase in atomic number down the group. The large difference between the melting and boiling points of oxygen and sulfur may be explained on the basis of their atomicity. Oxygen exists as diatomic molecule, whereas sulfur exists as polyatomic molecule. Chemical properties, oxidation states and trend in chemical reactivity. The elements of group 16 exhibit a number of oxidation states. The stability of -2 oxidation state decreases down the group. Polonium hardly shows -2 oxidation state. Since electronegativity of oxygen is very high, it shows only negative oxidation state as -2, except in case of OF2 where its oxidation state is +2. Other elements of the group exhibits +2, +4 and +6 oxidation states, but +4 and +6 are more common. Sulfur, selenium and tellurium usually show +4 oxidation state in their compounds with oxygen and +6 with fluorine. The stability of +6 oxidation state decreases down the group and the stability of +4 oxidation state increases due to inert pair effect. Bonding in +4 and +6 oxidation state is primarily covalent.